Welcome, everyone! You're about to embark on an exciting journey as we guide you through the essential steps of setting up your pool, from preparing the foundation to safely transferring the pool into place. Get ready to dive into the second video of our pool installation series. In the initial phase of this video, we're laying down the groundwork by installing the weeping tiles around the excavated zone where your future pool will find its home. After the weeping tiles are set, the final measurement is implemented to calculate the maximum frame size. Next, we skillfully craft and assemble the wooden pieces, carefully joining them together to fit within the frame.
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one.
We pour HPB material into the ground, ensuring proper compaction for a strong foundation.
The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be.
Our dedicated team begins by evenly distributing the HPB using shovels, followed by using a compactor. To finish, we expertly screed the gravel for a flawless surface.
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Never really know what's going on.
truck is transporting the pool shelf to the worksite with care and wisdom, and we finally got the pool and everything is ready to be set up. Now is the time to brace some wood together and set them in the pool to prevent it from bowing when lifted by the crane. During this stage, it is imperative to exercise utmost caution to prevent any inadvertent damage to the pool's surface.
Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't.
The process of joining ropes to attach them to the crane should be executed with precision to ensure the stability of the shell, minimizing any potential vibrations. While moving the pool shelf to its intended position, it is essential to provide guidance from its sides.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Our team meticulously executes each step of the process with utmost care and awareness. Our company boasts a team of seasoned professionals, and we stand by the assurance of excellence in every phase. We hope that you found this video informative and enjoyable. Please subscribe to our channel and stay updated with our videos to gain a deeper understanding of our company. Should you wish to reach out, do not hesitate to contact us through the platform displayed on the screen. For a comprehensive look at our diverse range of fiberglass pools, kindly visit our website.